is seriously good.
New Heinz Seriously Good Mayonnaise. Upgrade to the Heinz Ketchup of mayonnaise.
I'm older now, a lot wiser. Maybe that's debatable.
They all knew a variant younger. Tomorrow with Discovery.
The following program contains scenes with coarse language. Viewer discretion is advised.
All I see was just pieces of the prop going everywhere.
Well, it's lucky you never got hit.
Look, you never